Snow blankets streets in the valleys and on the mountaintops. We have crews live in both places to update you on road conditions.
And many school systems are already closing their doors for tomorrow. We'll show you the list.
Snow is covering parts of the Tennessee Valley and North Georgia, and more is on the way. Good evening. Thanks for joining us.
Schools and businesses are already closing for tomorrow. Now, we will be scrolling across the bottom of your screen throughout this newscast, schools and businesses that are closed. First, though, let's go to our Storm Track 9 team, who has been busy covering the snow showers throughout the day to bring you.
Hi, Cam, and good evening, everyone. We are still seeing moderate snow showers coming down across the area. Let's go right now live to our radar because this is going to show you the last large batch of snow showers to make their way through the area. This is still going to cause, like we've already seen, some light accumulation across the area. Generally in the valley, another quarter of a half inch is possible with this line. And at the higher elevations, half inch to an inch is possible because of the pace. Of the snow coming down. This is still well in advance of the main Arctic front that'll come flying in here later on tonight.
Look, this is where I live.
South of Chattanooga through northern Walker, northern Dade County, and over towards Jasper, Middle Valley. Moderate snow showers coming down. This includes East Brainerd. And temperatures very close to that freezing mark. Light to times moderate showers.
Emergency crews have been responding to dozens of wrecks in the valley.
Again, some big problems on the secondary roads.
Oh,
News Channel 9's John Madewell picks up our Storm Track 9 team coverage live from Amicola Highway. John.
Rex.
Calvin, you hit the nail on the head. Secondary roads are serious around 1 o'clock this afternoon, and this was on Highway 27, also known as Corridor J. This happened around 1 o'clock just north of Morrison Springs Road. And you'll see from this video here, his truck had overturned, and emergency crews had to come in, cut the top off of that truck, and remove those who were trapped inside. Now, around midday, when the snow started packing in, or actually a little before that, we saw a city worker out in front of City Hall who was throwing some salt on the sidewalks there, also in the entrances coming in, because as the water collects there, and but the largest school system in the area waited today before making that decision. News Channel 9's John Plus joins us live with reaction from parents. John?
Well, Calvin, good evening to you. Yes, Hamilton County Schools did not close this morning, and here is why. School officials tell me that when they saw the forecast this morning, the forecast called for the snow to move in late this afternoon and in this evening. So school officials figured that's enough time to get a day's worth of classes in and to make sure everybody got home safely as well. But as we know now, the snow started earlier, about 11 o'clock this morning, and that's when school officials also decided to close schools early. Take a look at the scene outside of Hillcrest Elementary School around the lunch hour. They did close earlier, and it was a scene repeated in schools throughout the county. Parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, you name it. They got the calls to pick up the children by the lunch hour. Now, that did throw some parents' schedules off, we know that, but the ones we talked with didn't seem to mind all that much coming by the schools early to get their children. Now, at some schools, this, of course, created some gridlock. Buses also had to be called in
Gridlock.
early.
See,
and I asked some parents, so like Alicia Gladden and also
I can handle it.
if they thought schools should have stayed closed today given the threat of snow and icy roads.
Well, I think they should have just left them home if they knew it was going to snow like this, because it's probably
Well said. There are a lot of different opinions. We have now learned that Hamilton County Schools will be closed tomorrow. Again, Hamilton County Schools will be closed tomorrow. We have a complete listing of all the closings that'll crawl on the bottom of your screen throughout the evening. And of course, the complete listing is also on newschannel9.com. So enjoy it while it lasts. That's the story. Live in the great outdoors. John Pleston.
Tough decisions.
Thank you, John. Many of you have been sending in pictures of the snow, and we really do
Pictures
appreciate
of the
it because
snow.
our cameras cannot be everywhere. So here's a few pictures. Blake and Kendall are enjoying the snow in Flintstone, and it looks like
it's treacherous.
Big game. Sheila Cannon sent these pictures from the Hamilton County Courthouse downtown.
Look at that.
Snow is covering the grassy areas
See?
and part of the sidewalk.
It's covering sidewalk.
She also sent us this.
They're killing me. They're killing me here. I have laughed so hard, I started to cry. Oh, oh my gosh. My kid has been home for 2 days.
Through the mid-evening hours, will gradually taper off.
Oh my God.